What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a super simple and easy way that you can create this rope chain bracelet, and you can use the same technique to make this necklace as well. There's actually going to be one really essential step in making this piece that can literally make it or break it. Let's get right into it, guys. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your heavy duty cutter and open it up and cut to your preferred length. Start off by cutting half of it, and it should come off just like that. There might be some excess chain left over. Just go ahead and take your plier and take that extra cut lengths off. So it should look something like this. Grab your jump ring, open it up with your set of pliers, and hook it on to the last two lengths of the chain. The reason why I recommend the last two is because this chain is not soldered, so it'll be more secure in the last two rather than the last one. And then you just want to close up your jump ring. And now the most important part of this specific chain is you want to grab your plier with teeth and tighten the last two links that the jump ring is in, because they could be slightly open, and if they're just even the slightest bit open, this could cause the jump ring to slip out in the future. I brought 3 options of clasp that can be utilized with this chain. It's totally based on personal preference. So here are the 3. This is the first one, which is a thin oval-like clasp, and it just gives it a very elegant look. This next one actually comes in a few different sizes, and as you can see, I brought 2 sizes that you can pair with this chain. The smaller one is a little bit more on the feminine side, but if you were to pair it with the larger one, it gives it a little bit more of a masculine look, but it totally pairs super nicely with this chain as well. Grab your jump ring, open it up with your set of pliers, and attach it to the last 2 links again. When you're dealing with any type of rope chain that's not soldered, I always recommend to put your jump ring inside the last 2 links of the chain. And then grab your clasp, hook it on, and then use your pliers to close it shut. So here's what they look like all stacked together. I obviously only made one in the video, but you can use that same technique to create multiple and stack them like I have here. It totally elevates any outfit like it did with this blazer I have, and I love how it's just like peeping through right here below the blazer. And I paired it with these triple hoops and a bunch of rings that I'll be linking all down below in the description, so you can be able to shop all these products. We offer free shipping over $100 orders. And let us know what you want to see in our next video, or if there are any jewelry making ideas that you want to dive into but aren't sure how. We'll be happy to create a video and show you exactly what to do step by step so you can achieve the look you're seeking. If you're new here and haven't subscribed to our channel already, and you want to learn new tips and tricks on jewelry making every week, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a post.